Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Autosport Designs. Today we'll be driving this 2016 Porsche 911 Targa 4S. Looks really gorgeous here in Sapphire Blue, and we're going to take it for a drive. So we'll see you on the road. As you can see, the top comes down in a really interesting and different way. We get that Targa feel and just an all-around great package. Going to sport mode because that's how I like to drive it. It makes it a little more aggressive, a little throatier, and the PDK, the 7-speed PDK transmission is a little bit snappier. So we are ice cold right now. We're going to get it out onto the road, and we will see you momentarily. So here we are getting up to temperature, and one of the great things about this Targa 4S is Porsche was able to take an older design, the Targa, and make it new again. One of the best things about this particular car is this was the last year of the naturally aspirated 3.8 liter flat six. So there are no turbos, it's 100% motor. And let me tell you, it goes. It's a little balmy out. It's about 55 degrees. And as you can see, I'm wearing a polo, but I'm comfortable. We've got heated seats. If you'd like to get sporty, you could go into Sport Plus mode. I don't know if you just heard that little burble, and that sharpens up those shifts even more in this PDK transmission. Stiffens up the suspension, downshift, and the steering is tighter. Now, there's a big difference between this updated C4S and say an air-cooled car, because here we're dealing with about 400 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of 4.2 seconds. I hope you enjoyed those flybys, everybody. I really did. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. You can find this car and others on our website at autosportdesigns.com, and make sure to follow us on Instagram at Autosport Designs. We will.
Is it on your sleeve?
Well, that's right, Dawn. Autosport Designs. Right there. We're really easy to find. Really easy to find. So thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao.